Babe, Alpha.
Yeah.
Babe, what if you go and introduce me to your family and they say they don't like me?
Huh?
Which one is
I
like
don't
what if you
understand.
go and introduce me to your family, your people, and they say no, they don't like me, that they are not sure I will make a good wife? What will you do
Um, it's
to
going to
me?
be a very difficult decision to make.
Okay. It's going to be a very difficult decision to make, which is if your
Okay,
family no accept me,
okay.
what will happen? You will not accept me.
See, it's not like that. I'll have to prove to them. I have to show them reasons why they should accept you.
I don't understand.
Yes, now.
Wait, I don't understand. Do you have to prove to them that I'm a good woman? Which reason? They say they don't like me, you say they don't like me, but you like me, Shay.
Yes, now I like you now.
We love each other, no be even like. You love me, I love you. Abi now.
But family is important.
I don't understand. Was family not important when you chose me? Was family not important when we be staying together? I don't get. Na
Uh-uh.
now they wan come dey important. They like you, they know. They don't like me, they don't like me. I don't understand. See, let me tell you. I can't believe you're even thinking about it. You have to prove to them. You have to. I don't get. See, you and your family, whether your family like it or not, they don't like me they like me. See, this marriage na forever it will work. It's not my business, because as it is now, if I take you to my people and introduce you to them and they say they don't like you, it's not my business. It's them that doesn't like you, it's not me. Me, I like you, Abi. I love you, you love me. Nothing concern any other person. Which one is you go and think you prove it
Wait.
to them?
Uh-uh. But come to think of it, family is important too.
Oga, wait. See, family is important, we know. I don't understand. Must family always come and show their importance when it comes to making a decision, choosing a woman to marry? Family will not show their importance when somebody is going through a lot together. When you don reach time to settle down, to do the normal thing, now it's not that they want to show importance.
But wait, oh, why are you taking it so personal? You just ask a question. You just ask a question, and why are you taking it so personal?
Na but why would I take it personal now? I ask a question and you told me, and you're trying to tell me that you see the way you're even saying it. Just imagine now, let's just say this is the reality, that this thing happen now.
But it's not a reality.
Okay, it's not a reality, but I'm just trying to let you know, in case, just in case it happen, you just know what to say.